BJP leaders had visited many districts where the incidents have happened. What has come out is a tip of the iceberg. Hundreds of trees have been cut, violating the rules. The ruling dispensation and the revenue and forest ministers who belong to CPI, they are supposed to be protectors of environment. They were having a facade of environmental list. They were having a facade of activists for environment, farmers, tribals, but they are silent on this issue. The reason is that the persons responsible for such acts, it is not limited to the officers. If it had been limited to officers, there should have been action against the concerned officer, the revenue secretary who issued such an order. But no action has been taken. It means the political leadership is the culprit. The revenue and forest ministers, it's their role that has to come out. But the chief minister also has not come out with a clear answer to who was responsible for such an issue. In fact, now an ADGP has been appointed to investigate this crime. Can an ADGP do an investigation on the acts of omission and commission by senior IFS and IAS officers or even political leadership? So BJP demands that an independent agency who will not succumb to the pressures of the ministers in the state government or the officers in the government needs to be identified and authorized to investigate this massive tree felling. This is one of the biggest scams, biggest level of corruption that has happened in the state of Kerala during the last almost 70 years.